Assalamu alaikum my viewers. Welcome back to my channel Creams. I am Taranum Gafoor and today's video is about how to make a simple yet perfect chocolate ganache. All you need is only 3 ingredients: dark compound, evaporated milk and salted butter. Measurements are given on the screen. First, melt your chocolate a bit, add milk and butter and micro it for 30 seconds. If needed, you can go for another 30 seconds. Then with a spoon or spatula, give it a slow mix. With a very soft hand, keep on stirring until you get the desired result. Don't be harsh on stirring. You can see the texture over here. You need not to add cake gel for the shine. Butter over here will do the job. It gives a very natural shine. Salted butter, on the other hand, balances the sweetness of your ganache. Our ganache is ready to use now for any type of cakes, layering, or making a chocolate cream. If you are new to my channel, subscribe my channel for more such videos. Thank you for watching.